Hello everyone, welcome to my video. Today I'm gonna show you how to send money from France to Pakistan. To do so, I will use TapTapSend because it is quite easy to send money from TapTapSend. So after login to your account, click on the top bar and search for recipient's country. As my recipient lives in Pakistan, I will select Pakistan here. Now you have to type the amount of French currency, which is euro. If I write 25 euro, it will be 7,587 Pakistani rupee, and then click on next. After that, you need to select the option of add new recipients, and you will see here there are 4 methods of sending the money. So for now I'm choosing EasyPaisa here. After that, you need to provide the full name of the recipients and the account number, and then click on next. However, if you choose the bank account, you need to give the full name of the recipient's bank name and then bank account number or IBAN number, and then confirm the account number and IBAN number. After clicking next, you can review every details you have given, and if you want to change anything, you can come back and change. So this is how you can send money from France to Pakistan. So if this video is really helpful to you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe the channel.